Welcome folks, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Dib and today we're going to show you this pre-owned 2019 Cardinal. Really a unique floor plan. As you can see, the fiberglass, of course, cap with LED lights. Of course, we got the power awning, outside speakers. Those are waterproof, so you can enjoy the outdoors. Really nice basement, all finished. Look at that, it's clean, it's lit. Look at that, you can see the aluminum frame up there, which is pretty nice to have. Lighter on the weight. As we walk in, to show you more, look at them steps here. The stairs are really sturdy, nice style. Come on in. This is a very welcoming coach, as you can see, with the island, which is, gives you like a traffic flow in a way. Big fridge here, look at that, and that's passed through right there, so it's pretty nice to have. Look at this, really big. It's enough for 4 or 5 people. Lots of counter space as we go. Of course, you got a microwave, oven, and stove. Look at that. Counter space is pretty cool. This is really handy. This is your pantry. Look at that. I mean, you can store you name it in there, just as big as the one I have at home. So you go up here, and it's the opposite kind of from the front living. So this is the rear, which is you got your fireplace, big nice TV, cabinets, storage. Look at that, you can actually see what's going on. Very nice. These become beds, of course. Right there we got recliners for you. As we go down here, we're gonna go, see that, we're going down your dinette and we go up to the bedroom. So that's what's unique about it. When you walk in here, really nice counter space again, big huge TV. Look at that, an actual closet, almost a walk-in closet. And of course we got the washer and dryer hookup. Okay, so let's take you outside and show you more features. Yeah, again, this is a 2019 Cardinal. Big slide right here, second slide. That's where the couch was, in a way, the front living, but backwards. This is what's unique about this coach. Look at this storage, folks. Look at that, pass through all the way, and you don't get 1, 2, you get 3 of them next to each other. Of course, we got the electric stabilizers down here. Push button levels itself, it's pretty cool. As we walk back here, you can see that the spare is outside. This way you don't have to crawl down and try to find it. With a ladder, that allows you to go up and check out the debris. All right, folks, as you can see, the other side of the slide right there, this is your kitchen slide. Pretty cool. So look how many slides in there. There's a third one also up there. That's the other couch. Right here is your hub, your outside shower. That's the pass-through right here for you. Look at that. This is really nice for storage, folks. And it's auto level, as you can see. Solar ready also, as you can see. There's a lot to explain about this coach. Give me a call. My name is Dib, 541-515-1237. Thank you.